All right, so thanks for tuning in again. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the shop. This week is a fun week for me because most of the time I come in here, I have no clue what's going on other than I bring cameras and we film. But I don't know what I'm going to film. Ken plans everything. But fun fact this week, Ken, you don't know what's going on, do you?
Yeah, I was going to do axle work.
You are not going to do axle work because similar to what we did well, I guess I don't know where we are in the release of the video schedules, but similar to what happened earlier, I should say, I bought something cool that I think you're gonna like.
So you're gonna tell me I spent all this time getting your axle crap ready for tonight and we're not doing axles?
And we're not doing it because I got us, hold on.
You're gonna have to wait a second because Eric's bringing the Jeep in to do
Eric's
axle
bringing
work.
the Jeep in. Eric knows what's going on, so give it 2 minutes. Ken's gonna let him in. Fun fact, I bought two. I got one for me, got one for Ken's JL. Eric's bringing mine in because Eric knows what's going on. It's not axle work.
So everybody else is on this but me. I have no idea. Thought I was going to do axles today.
Ken, I don't know if this box is going to give it away. Let me get in the shot here so you can see. But before we went on our trip on the TJ, I was annoyed by all the noise it was making. I was also concerned, when I say noise, the interior
This is
noise.
oddly shaped for a radio.
It is not a radio. It was, the interior noise is what I was talking about. The road noise, everything that you hear, it was very loud. So we did two things. What were the two things that we did? Something to the floor, something to the ceiling.
Yeah, okay,
what did we do to the floor?
On the floor we did sound deadener. Worked amazing.
Worked amazing.
And then we did the headliner stuff.
And this is not sound deadener, so does it give it away?
Yeah, we're doing headliners.
We are doing headliners. I got us some headliners kits. These happen to be the Hothead's brand headliner. And I chose this for a few reasons over the boom mat, which is the one that I put in the TJ, which I liked. It's just it's just foam that's sticky, right?
Yeah.
Wanted to do something a little nicer, a little cleaner for the JL. Didn't want to do the Mopar stuff. Mixed reviews online. This was
everything I bought from Mopar I thought was crap.
Yeah, I mean seriously, like aftermarket stuff as far as things go. Like this had killer reviews. Multi-layers. We'll get into construction, I guess, in the video. But yeah, Merry Christmas. But now it's your turn to give me money.
It's like we just keep doing this every week. Every week we do this.
Trading invoices. So anyway,
we just balance them out monthly.
I hope you like it. Let's get to the install.
Let's do it. All right, so Bob already knows what he ordered. I have no idea what he ordered. I've not installed one of these, so this will actually be something I get to install that I have not yet done on the JL, and I'm looking forward to.
Have you done any headliners before?
Absolutely.
Just not this particular brand?
Not this particular brand on this particular model. So, and I get to do two of them, yours and mine.
Something new, something fun.
Well, and so that is actually fun.
Pick those up, I'll get this down. Oh, not on the hair. That's uncalled for. Oh, it didn't stick.
So, we got.
So Ken, there's different styles of this kit. Let me tell you specifically what we bought. Now you can go to hell. So what we got here is the unlimited kit that's got the front panels, the mid panels, and the rear panels.
Awesome.
We did not get around the windows because I didn't think that was really all that important.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Probably not.
That's kind of what I was hoping. So these should provide a more finished look than the boom mat that I have in my TJ, which I think they also offer it for the JL. But we'll see. But you can tell already there's the...
you got some sound editor left over from the MG.
Yeah, we did not get the sound assassin strips, I believe they're called, because we already had basically the same thing, which is sound deadener. So this is...
crap, dude.
Yeah, you can see they're multi-layered. So there's wood, there's foam. They put some of this reflective stuff to keep the heat down. And it's all stuck on with these 3M adhesive strips, and it's got a nice finished look on the top. So I don't know, initial thoughts? Seems pretty legit, right?
Actually, they are way nicer than the ones we put in the TJ.
by a mile.
I mean, I remember the ones we put in the TJ, and it was literally just like it had like sticky crap on one side of foam, and you just...
It was literally like an inch thick of foam.
It was an inch thick of foam. And don't get me wrong, it was a huge difference.
Oh, it made a huge difference.
Like, it was shocking. When Bob bought that crap, I was like, dude, this is so gimmicky, it's stupid, it's not gonna make any difference at all. Well, I was completely wrong. I curl on that one. It was big difference.
It did. It made it much quieter in there, and I think from like the insulation value,
stayed warmer.
It stayed warmer, stayed cool, whatever. And I think this probably even more so, especially with all the different layers of construction that they have.
Looks exceptionally well built.
Yeah.
Exceptionally well built.
So we got the front panels, which we just saw. These are the ones that go in the mid here.
I'll give you some directional instructions here.
Yep.
Wow.
Nice and soft, huh?
They're
it's like
actually-
actual headliner material.
Yeah, they're actually not cheaply built at all. And it's actually, it's pretty surprising how differently they're built compared to the ones we put in your TJ.
Even the Mopar ones, I don't think are have the similar construction.
Well, you know why? It's because everything Mopar sells is freaking junk.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not a Mopar accessory.
I will 100% confirm that because of the news that we just uncovered about my JL, which is new.
Bob's JL Sport he's owned it for like
3 months. It's got, let's see, I put not even 4,000 miles on it in 3 months. And what happened, Ken? What did we just do on the lift?
his rear differential is about ready to blow up.
Yeah, fun stuff.
Granted, we got new axles going in here, but what a bummer.
What a
And on
bummer.
top of that, it's already been in for key fob issues and battery issues.
Yeah.
Which, the battery issues we're not worried about because we got something fun in store for that. But we did have some warranty stuff. We're going to be calling them in the morning, see if we can get this rear end taken care of.
nothing like having nice Fiat reliability in an axle that's going to grenade in 17,000, 18,000 miles, however many it's got.
And like a bunch of those little baby rear ends have been having some issues out there. So, and it's nothing that we couldn't buy a bearing kit and fix probably ourselves, but why should we have to?
It's under warranty. That's why we bought it.
Dude, I can't wait to put this in my Jeep. All right, let's turn my Jeep around and work on this. Let's do it. So when you're doing the headliner, just plan on it. When you're all done, you're going to spend a couple hours detailing your vehicle because it's just going to make a huge mess because of the sanding you got to do on the hard top. But no sacrifice, no victory. All right, we got these wiped down. Time to test fit some and put them in. What up, Bob?
How's it going up there, buddy?
Not bad.
I see we got a little more things. I see you got like 3 of the panels actually in.
Yep, those 3 are in, and then so this company offers a product called sound assassin strips that you put in the voids where this panel doesn't. See, because this panel fits in here like this. Their tape goes on those portions, so they sell a product called sound assassin strips. We didn't buy it because we had a whole bunch of this crap left over from Bob's last Jeep project and his MG project. So he had all crap on it. Why buy it? We already had it. We got to do the legwork and cut it.
Oh no, I think if I remember correctly, we had about a box and a half,
Which is a lot.
left, which is a lot. It's
enough to
70
do
square feet or something like
Yeah,
that. It's
it's
crazy.
insane.
So instead of buying it, like you said, we had to spend some time cutting, but whatever. We already
Yeah,
had
if we
it.
wouldn't have had it, we'd have just bought the sound assassin
Yeah,
strip.
absolutely. It's pretty much the same stuff. It's just
Yep.
sound deadener.
So now we're just going to put this up here. And for all of you out there in YouTube land, not sure if you've seen it yet or not, but we're actually doing 2 of these at once. We're doing Bob's and mine at the same exact time. I'm literally bouncing back and forth between the 2 as he cuts sound assassin strips while I'm sanding and cleaning.
I measure and tape. That's and cut, and that's pretty much all I do. There's a lot of YouTube videos saying that we need to take the hard tops off and flip them upside down in order to put this stuff on. What have you found to be true so far?
Yeah, screw that. That's too much work. So we've already got like cargo racks, rooftop tents, and everything on there. I'm not stripping all that crap off. And even it says right in the directions. It says right in the directions, don't take the top off. It's easier to do with it on the vehicle. And I agree, this isn't bad at all. They do say to take the freedom panels off because it's easier. You can kind of just sit them upside down. I'm not doing that either. I already got my rooftop tent on. What I will say is they include this nice little piece of cardboard that you can use to apply pressure. Bend the corner down so you can actually kind of direct that while you're just pushing with the other hand.
Top tip.
And they use really good 3M VHT tape, so it's really good stuff. VHB, my bad, whatever.
3M tape.
Yeah, they're not using cheap crap, thankfully, because I'd be ticked. I will say that the construction of this product is so far superior compared to the stuff we put in your TJ, though.
Oh, 100%. I have not seen in person the Mopar stuff to compare it to, but compared to that boom mat so far, I'm liking this a little bit better. Like you said, just because of the construction, it just looks nicer, right? As opposed to just, you know, 1.5 inch thick foam that I just glued to the top of my hardtop. But
Which is all the other stuff.
I'm not going to complain about the performance though, because that quieted that TJ up a ton.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely. This
So
just
great
looks like it's
product.
got much more sophisticated design and engineering into it.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Hi, Bob.
How's it coming, buddy? That seems like quite the workout there.
Tell you what.
I got the hard job.
Yeah. Holding the camera.
Holding the camera. I also cut out the little strips, so I had to do a lot of measuring.
Did
A
you?
lot of measuring.
What I
Did you take your shoes off, Bob?
I had to take my shoes off once because I had to count to 8. 10, 12. I had to count to 12.
You cannot edit that out. That has to stay.
I don't like either of you. It's been a long night. I am way over full on pizza.
We didn't do tacos.
We didn't do tacos! I had to count to 8.
Well, it's not Tuesday either, so.
It's not Tuesday. It is a Monday today. Oh, I can see how that one can be a pain in the ass.
This one is a pain in the butt. And then when you get it there, I have a hard time walking it back. But you get it so it's right there.
You get it close.
Push really,
I mean, it does look pretty sweet. Ken, down to the last panel, buddy.
Yes, sir.
How'd the install go?
My neck hurt.
What about your back? What about your shoulders?
Back's good. Shoulders suck, but my shoulders suck even on a good day. That's called getting old.
Touche.
Touche.
Let me go take a peek in the back here.
Honestly, these things fit so freaking amazing.
They
It's
do.
awesome.
And they really change the look of the inside, don't they?
They take out a lot of the reflectiveness. They actually make it almost feel darker, a little more cozy.
Any tips on the install?
Take your time. Make sure your surface is extremely clean. Do it in a warm environment.
Take your time.
Drink an extra beverage to not rush the process. Spend the time to make sure it's clean. Other than that, I don't know how much this stuff matters. Honestly, I don't really feel like it does a lot because there's so much that's not covered. But it can't hurt to do it, and we already had the product, so why not? I don't know. I think it looks freaking amazing. Gonna wrap this up. So in the meantime, go check out some of our other videos. We'll see you next Wednesday.